Answer, daghan kay tao, dili basta-basta. Okay, so, kung dili na maka-answer, quiet lang po. Tagahan na tog time na makahatag og good answer ng ating candidates. Okay, hello candidate number 2.
Hi.
In fairness, si number 2, murag na siya kung ano, murag, may pagka-half. Murag, may pagka-half Indiana. Oo, yes. Pure-blooded ba ka na Filipina?
Oo.
Ayan. Kasi kita baho kung ba? Kasi naman ang tabo. Sorry lang. Okay, so who is your makeup artist? Mahal na. Hindi ko kayo na. Ana? Okay, so, I love your casual, green na green. Gov Lala.
Yung Marvel.
Okay, so, how old are you?
17.
17. As a 17 years old, are you still single?
No.
Ay, may karelasyon. So, nandyan ba? Yeah. I-sure lang makabuhi na ha. Okay. So, are you ready to, ready ka na ba sa mga question?
Yes.
Ready? It is your first time to join? First time. So, pasok! Baby Kuya Boy! Ay, shit! Sayaw po, sayaw. Ayan. Okay. Baby, your hashtag question. Hi, Kuya. Abot Kuya ba to or ate? Hindi ko ka-sure. Basta lukso ng dugo lagi ba? Okay. Your hashtag is talent. Hashtag talent.
Talent. All of us have talent. We can't share it because